Hey, Mikey.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
All right. What do you got back here? What's all this stuff?
This is the ice set.
The ice set?
Yes.
Ooh. All right. So before we talk about any of the set, why don't we talk about the characters? All right. The road characters. Yeah. So talk about. Didn't they come out with some snow road characters last year?
Yes.
Okay. What are the ones that came out there last year? Can you show them to me real quick?
This is Oliver.
Let me see him. Let me see. It's Oliver. Wait, let me get a good picture. Okay, Oliver. Sodor, Snowstorm, Oliver. Okay, cool. Who else?
And this is Byron.
Byron?
Yes.
Byron. Yeah. Sodor, Snowstorm, Byron. Okay, who else?
And this is Max.
Max. Oh man, why didn't they come out with Monty? But they came out with a Snowstorm Max, huh?
Yeah.
What else they come out with?
Other one from this year.
From last year?
This is from, and this and last but not least from last year's Kelly.
Kelly. Okay, that's cool. Kelly. Okay, what are the new ones? Did they come out with some new ones for this year?
Yes. This is Buster.
Okay, Sodor, Snowstorm, Buster. What else they got?
And this is Patrick.
And then there's Patrick in the Snowstorm version. Cool. And what else?
This is Nelson.
Let me see Nelson. Nelson. Okay, yep, Nelson. Sodor, Snowstorm, Nelson. Okay, cool. So you got a bunch of road vehicles that go along with the snow engines, huh? Okay, cool. All right.